Cantonese has 21 final sounds that end with the consonants
怕、他 or 卡
which are stop consonant finals, which are traditionally referred to as entering tones. The pronunciation of this type of rhyme ending is somewhat similar to that in English. For example, the Cantonese pronunciation of the three characters
sip, sit,
and
sick,
are similar to the English sip, sit, and sick, respectively. The entering tone is a major feature of Cantonese. It has a sense of rapid occlusion and frustration, which is not found in Mandarin. The existence of the entering tone gives Cantonese a unique charm when reading ancient poems. Take the famous ancient poem
滿江紅
as an example.
滿江紅
Is a well-known poem and is traditionally considered to be written by
岳飛
a famous general of the Southern Song dynasty. At that time, the soldiers and civilians of the Southern Song dynasty fought bravely against the Jin soldiers and won many times, and the military situation improved. The poem expresses the deep feelings of
岳飛
for the country and nation. Every sentence in
滿江紅
ends with an entering tone, which makes reading aloud full of power and rhythm.
滿江紅怒髮衝冠憑欄處，蕭蕭雨歇。抬望眼，仰天長嘯，壯懷激烈。30功名塵與土，8千里路雲和月。莫等閒，白了少年頭，空悲切。靖康恥，猶未雪，臣子恨，何時滅？駕長車，踏破賀蘭山缺。壯志飢餐胡虜肉，笑談渴飲匈奴血。待從頭，收拾舊山河，朝天闕。